Time once again for the Law and You from the Virtual Law Center. We have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. They're back. They're ready to go.
We are. But before anything else, Greg has a big announcement.
My son's bar mitzvah is tomorrow. Aiden, good luck. We're very excited for you. Our family and friends are coming in, so it's going to be a big day for him. We're excited.
I'm ready. Aiden, I'm ready.
Aiden.
I am ready.
Yeah. All right, now we're going to go from Aiden to stop sign issues.
Yep.
And our question today, Michelle in Dallas says, I was recently cited for rolling through a stop sign. I most definitely stopped. What do I have to do to fight this ticket? What do you have to say to Michelle?
So, Michelle, what you have to do is plead not guilty. So this is going to be at the magistrate level. So plead not guilty. You're going to get a piece of paper that's going to be, your yellow citation, and on the back you can either plead guilty or not guilty. You're going to detach it, plead not guilty, send in the appropriate amount of money, and then you're going to have a hearing date, and you can go to the hearing and plead your case. And then the magistrate is going to make a decision on whether you, in fact, went through the stop sign or not. They also may, once you get there, they also may, you might be able to plead it down to something other than rolling through the stop sign. But that's going to be the mechanism by which you fight that ticket.
Seems pretty familiar with these rolling stop signs here. This is
experience, maybe.
Sounds like you might have had one of these.
I might be in the middle of one.
Interesting that this question has come up.
Yes.
I am.
Yes.
I think I remember hearing something about
I'm going to take this one all the way to the Supreme Court.
Well, hopefully we could get it worked out.
Yeah.
I may have to show up in court and do this. He seems very excited about it.
I'm telling you.
I got nothing else.
I got a lot of.
I don't get tickets.
I got a lot of. Yeah.
I'm a safe driver.
I got a lot of knowledge on this one.
The only thing we do is wish Ed the best of luck here in his particular case. In the meantime, if you need legal advice, you can give the guys a call or check them out online. And don't forget, results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. We'll see you soon, guys.
Thank you.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.